Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating location mismatch. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your phone and here tap the three lines icon and go to the dating. If you see that the location mismatch error, try these fixes. You can update location settings. First, go to the settings and click the apps and go to the apps management and scroll down to Facebook. And here, click the permissions and allow the location. Allow only while using the app. You can also turn on the GPS or the location in your phone. Then here you can refresh your dating app. And in Facebook dating, tap the profile and click edit and dating location. Set it in correct location. And also, you can also clear the cache or reinstall if the issue continues. And that's it. With updated GPS and app settings, Facebook dating will show your correct location. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.